fried chicken, grilled chicken, chicken stir-fry, chicken Caesar salad. Have you ever wondered when and where humans started raising chickens? The answer might surprise you. Scientists have recently found important evidence showing that chickens were first domesticated in Thailand, in Southeast Asia. This discovery changes what we thought about chicken farming history. Before, people believed chickens were first raised in places like India or China. Stories from around 6,000 years ago in China talked about birds like chickens. But later, scientists found those birds were wild pheasants, not chickens. Archaeological evidence from Thailand shows that ancient humans started taming wild chickens and turning them into the chickens we know today thousands of years ago. Earlier studies showed that wild chickens, Gallus gallus, share a lot of DNA with modern chickens. This made scientists focus on certain areas for their research. Fossilized chicken bones found in China and Pakistan date back 8,000 to 11,000 years, but these didn't give a clear origin for domestic chickens. Archaeologists who act like detectives of the past discovered that humans began raising chickens in Southeast Asia over 3,500 years ago. From there, chickens spread to other places far away. In ancient times, chickens were special animals. People didn't just see them in the wild, but also brought them into villages. Soon, chickens became companions for humans, spreading south to Southeast Asian islands and west to India, Mesopotamia, Europe and Africa. A big study by scientists from the National Academy of Sciences in the USA called The Biocultural Origins and Dispersal of Domestic Chickens revealed that the first place in the world where humans raised chickens was Ban Non Wat village in Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand, over 3,000 years ago during the Neolithic period. To understand chicken history, scientists studied chicken bones from over 600 ancient sites in 89 countries. They looked at bone shapes, how the bones were found, and other clues to learn about chickens in the past. The surprising discovery was that the chicken bones found at Ban Non Wat belonged to domestic chickens, not wild ones. This means people were already keeping chickens as pets or for food. At that time, people also buried chicken bones with animals like pigs, dogs and cows, showing that chickens were important to their lives. The warm and rainy climate of Southeast Asia was perfect for wild chickens, which like hot weather. When people started farming, they cleared land to grow rice, creating open fields that made wild chickens feel safe and well-fed. Rice grains and leftover food attracted chickens, and soon they became part of human life. As people moved and settled in new places, they brought chickens with them. This is how chickens spread worldwide, starting from Southeast Asia and reaching faraway lands. So, next time you see a chicken, remember its story. It began thousands of years ago in a small village in Thailand, where it became one of humanity's feathery friends.